Cognito User Pools with Lambda. First thing to know about this video, this is not about making authenticated requests to Lambda using Cognito. If you want to know about that, go and look at the normal User Pools video. Rather, this video is going to discuss how we can execute Lambda at different stages of Cognito authentication and sign up. So, there are many reasons why you might want to do this. For example, let's say someone's trying to sign up, but you only want people who already have an account somewhere else to sign up to a particular application. You can execute a Lambda function pre-sign up and then check whether or not they're allowed to sign up to the application. You can do it post-confirmation, so you might want to send a welcome email through a Lambda function that gets executed once the user has confirmed their details, they've confirmed their email address and anything else. And we might also want to create some details for them in a separate database outside of Cognito, for example, in an SQL database. We can do custom authentication, so we can add our own specific CAPTCHA, we can add extra security questions. It allows us a great deal of flexibility in that way. We can also do it pre-token generation, so that's essentially just after the user has logged in, we can modify what we're going to include in that token, and we can include custom attributes that we might want to add. For example, we've got ACLs in our database. We might want to add those to the token itself. And we can do that with a custom message. So we can customize SMS messages or email messages or sign up invitations or basically anything within Cognito through that. So Lambda is a way that we can change the default behavior of Cognito with a small amount of code that gets executed at these specific stages. Here are some notes on that. Until next time, enjoy the cloud.